Hello friends. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily reset your Windows password, step by step. So, let's get started. To reset your Windows password, you'll need just two things. Keycap 1, a USB drive pen drive. Keycap 2, and a software tool that helps reset the password. Now, let me show you the USB drive I've already made bootable. I'll insert this USB drive into my laptop. Next, we'll restart the laptop. As soon as it restarts, press F2 to enter the BIOS setup. Inside BIOS, you'll find an option called Boot Sequence. Here, set your USB storage device as the first boot option. Then click on Apply and restart your system again. Now don't press any key. Just let the system boot automatically from the USB drive. Once it boots, you'll see a new interface on your screen. Simply click Next. When you see your user account name, select it. Then again click Next. After that, click on Reset and Unlock. Within a few seconds, you'll see that your Windows password has been successfully reset. Now click Finish. Reboot your computer. And that's it, your system will open without asking for any password. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. For more informative and helpful videos, don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching.